Welcome back to my channel again. It's the girl Noye Cynthia. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button for you to get notified. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. I love you guys. So guys, in today's video, I'll be talking about the best brightening face products to use if you are battling with acne, pimples, black spots, hyperpigmentation, redness. I'm going to show you the best affordable skincare products to use to clear your face, to have a clear face or body in this video. So guys, let's dive into the video. So guys, I'll be recommending two products in this video for two skincare types. If you're having an oily skin and if you're having a dry skin, the product I'm going to recommend now is two products for two skincare types. So I'm going to first of all recommend for oily skin one product to use for oily skin, battling with pimples, black spot, redness, hyperpigmentation, etc. This product I'll be recommending now is for you and is the best product to use. So the product I'm going to recommend here for oily skin is Bright and Clear Cream. This cream is very active when it comes to clearing of black spots, pimples, hyperpigmentations, acne, etc. Any skin problem that you have, redness. It is very active. It works wonder. So if you are oily skin, I recommend this because it has a lot of content. It has a lot of ingredients that helps to treat and clear your pimples, your acne, your dark spots, hyperpigmentations, redness. If you're battling with this cream, it has 4 active ingredients that helps to clear your face. The first active ingredient is azelaic acid. The second one is kojic acid. The third one is niacinamide. Then the fourth one is triheximic acid. So these 4 ingredients in this product makes it very active to treat acne, to clear dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and other skin problems, skin irritations that you have. Azelaic acid, a content that helps to clear hyperpigmentations, acne, and eliminates blackheads. So this azelaic acid is an active ingredient in this product that helps to clear out, treat acne, pimples, and hyperpigmentation. Then contains kojic acid. Kojic acid helps to brighten your face as well as taking away dark spots, hyperpigmentations on your face. Niacinamide is another active ingredient that helps to treat pimples. It contains antibacterial and antioxidants that fight against pimples and acne. Discoloration. If you're having discoloration on your face, on your body, niacinamide, these products can help to clear away discolorations on your face, dark spots, and post-acne. Another skincare product to recommend here for dry skin. If you're having a dry skin and you're battling with pimples, acne, blemishes, if you're having a dry skin, I advise you to go for this serum. This serum is very nice. It helps to clear your pimples, your black spots, hyperpigmentation, and other skincare problem that you have. You're having a dry skin, your face always get dry. This product is the best for you to get. Fair topicals help to reduce the appearance of dark spots, discoloration, post blemishes, marks on your skin. It aims to brighten your skin, your complexion. The content of this product is the same with the first product that I mentioned, but this one, it contains alpha arbutin for brightening. Though this one, the difference is that this one is in a serum form, then the other one is in a cream form. I recommend it for dry skin. So how do you use this product to achieve a maximum result? These two products that I've listed out here, how do you use it to achieve a maximum result? For those of us having an oily face and dry face, how do you use it to achieve a maximum result? For you to achieve a maximum result, for those of us that are having oily skin, you first thing to do during the day, you apply it, then you wear your sunscreen. Make sure that you are using a good soap. I recommended a soap for pimples. Go and see that video. Then at night, you only use this face cream. Then for dry skin, you first of all apply this Fade topical serum. After applying the serum, then you go in with your sunscreen during the day. Then at night, after having your bath at night, for apply your moisturizer, then you apply the serum. That's all. So this is how to use this product to achieve a maximum result. See you in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification button for you to get notified. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. I love you guys. Bye.